Hi everyone! Today I'm taking you to one of the most meaningful and beautiful spots in Bratislava, Slavin War Memorial. Did you know that beneath this iconic monument there is an underground space that visitors will never see? Later in this video I'll show you rare shots from inside, including areas that are not accessible to the public. Let's explore it together. Slavin stands on a hill overlooking the entire city. It was built to honor the soldiers of the Soviet army who fell while liberating Bratislava in April 1945 during the final weeks of the World War II. More than 6,800 soldiers are buried here, making it the largest war memorial in Central Europe. It's not just a monument, it's a cemetery, a place of remembrance, gratitude and reflection. Rows of 278 individual graves, all marked with names and dates, are arranged around 6 mass graves. You don't need to know how to read Azbuka. Just look closer at the dates and you will see that many soldiers buried here were very young, some of them only 17. Can you imagine losing a 17-year-old child? Absolutely not. Slavin reminds us of the horrible cost of war and the importance of remembering the past and saying no to all wars. And now, one of the best reasons to come here, the view. From Slavin, you can get one of the best panoramic views of Bratislava. You can see the old town, the modern skyline and the surrounding countryside. At sunset, this place is magical. If you can, come early in the morning or just before sunset. It's a perfect spot for photography or simply to sit and take in the view. Slavin is freely accessible all year round, and it's only about a 20-minute walk from the city center. There is no entrance fee, and compared to other spots, it's usually very quiet. The dominant feature of the entire memorial is the impressive 39-meter-tall column. At the very top stands a statue of a Soviet soldier holding a flag. Up close around the ceremonial room, you can see detailed reliefs and liberation dates of many Slovak cities. Even if you are not deeply into history, the scale and atmosphere here are incredibly moving. But now, let me show you something that very few people get to experience. Beneath and inside this monument, there are spaces that are normally not accessible to the public. The inside walls of the ceremonial room are decorated with verses by Mayakovsky, and the ceiling is a huge stained glass mosaic. Below the whole structure is a large space. Today it's empty or used as a workshop for statue restorations. In the near future, they plan to install a war museum here. Seeing it from the inside gives you a completely different perspective on the scale and meaning of this place. Thank you for exploring Slavin with me. If you are visiting Bratislava, don't miss it. If you enjoyed this visit, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.